Alright guys, today I'm back with an unboxing. It is IkkI Tousen or whatever. I cannot pronounce this name of the series, but yeah. Here's Hakufu on the front cover. This is a Geneon Pioneer release. This is the original volume. I don't know if they're hard to find, but yeah. Front spine. This one is called, volume 1 is called Legendary Fighter. This is the first season. I did pick up the first 1, 2, and 4 volumes because they was $4.99 each at my local pastries Game Zone store. So yeah. It's funny. This one has episodes 1 to 4. DVD extras. There is the disc art. Let's see here. There we go. Fill Me Out from Geneon, which is a very old company. Ooh, also has a pamphlet. Let's see what this says. There's the front. The back. There is, oh, like mini poster. There's that. Let's check out the reversible cover. Huh. And of course they do hide the perverted scenes in this. Same thing, just with her on the front. Well guys, like I was saying, please like, comment, subscribe. I'll see you in my next video. Peace.